Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. I'm excited to showcase the new Sindox magnetic wireless power bank. It's 5,000 milliamps, and you can tell it comes with the magnetic ring because it sticks to it pretty well. Look at that. And then what you do is you attach this to phones like the iPhone 10 or other Android phones that don't have MagSafe compatibility, which a lot don't, just the iPhone 12 series and iPhone 13 series. So you can attach this right there, and then it will make it very easy to show how it charges wirelessly. So this battery has to be on, and the button is right here. So then you can see it light up. It has a USB-C port, and it offers a whopping 20 watts power delivery from this 5,000 milliamp battery. And for the wireless charging, it offers 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, and a whopping 15 watts. So it's online. Set it right there. And then we'll move the phone over. And you'll see right there, it starts charging immediately. Now you can attach this magnetic ring to the back, and you'll know where to put it on the battery every time. Okay, we'll pause for a second. Okay, and then we'll put it right back on, and it shows you that it's charging. So this is from Sindox, and you can get it now from Amazon. 5,000 milliamp battery with wireless charging technology all the way up to 15 watts. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.